Hello guys, hello. Hello guys, hello. hello guys. Hello, let me know in the comment section if you can see me, if you can hear me guys. We are live. If you can hear the background music, let me know guys. Just getting ready. What's going to happen to Bitcoin? Are we going to have that explosive breakout of the resistance of $44,000 range? This is what we're going to take a look at today guys. Let me know in the comment section if we're good, and we're going to crack on. Just sending the links here on the Telegram group. Okay guys, and I'll be reading your questions straight away, saying hello to everybody. All right guys, hello. All right, hi, Andy says legendary, hello. Boom, one of the first to arrive, says Roland. So are we on a breakout or is it going to be a fake out? When should you dollar cost average some more alts tomorrow? I mean, all of this phase to the downside has been a very good accumulation, a good moment to accumulate. Okay, we could go lower, but this is the thing of dollar cost averaging. It doesn't matter. You are here for a few years. So if you are in really bullish projects, you know, all the way down, you can dollar cost average. It doesn't matter if we drop more tomorrow. You are dollar cost averaging for the future. Evening, Andy, mate. Hope you are pumped for the pumps. Yes, Roland, how are you doing? Glad to see you in the stream. Please check Veracity. Right, let's take a look at Veracity straight away. First of all, can you people see me right? Loud and clear. Great. Thank you, Mark Dutch, my moderator, one of my best supporters. Thank you very much. Right, let's take a look at Veracity. What is Veracity? Ticker symbol. Yeah, if you want me to take a look at the cryptos, guys, there are some, I don't know all of the cryptocurrencies. So Veracity, I need to know what ticker symbol is it? VRA. Let's take a look at Veracity here, see what's going on the charts. Right, what have we got here? We've got a double top here, not looking too good actually, this cryptocurrency. This is the daily chart, and you can clearly see, wow, that we have, you know, we didn't manage to get above the major resistance zone right over here, the all-time high, which is at about 5 cents, 5.4 cents. So yeah, what is going to happen to Veracity? We need to break the all-time high. As soon as we break all-time high, then it's going to be looking pretty good, pretty bullish. Now, if we do break out all-time high, there's hardly any volume. Stay very cautious. Remember, the price usually comes back, okay? So you want to get into those retracements. Now, if we do break the all-time high, you're waiting for that retracement, okay? Potentially to retest the last all-time high, okay? That would be my bullish scenario here for this crypto. Now, let's just zoom in here. Go to the 4 hourly. We are potentially going to have a massive move to the upside. Check out here, Veracity, how the 2.5 cents has been a major resistance and support level, as you can see here. When we broke it below, it turned into a major resistance box. Also right over there, also right over here. Now, yeah, I think this is a major buying zone. This is ready to pop, okay? Is it an ERC20? Has it got its own blockchain? Let me just check here. Yeah, it runs on the Ethereum blockchain. I don't know what this crypto does, but it is looking pretty bullish. Looking pretty bullish. We are forming a descending wedge, still pretty far away from the breakout still. It could break out today, tomorrow, I don't know. A lot of cryptos forming this kind of descending wedge, all right? Eyes on Bitcoin and the market sentiment. We are looking at the S&P 500. I think the S&P 500 needs a little bit of a run up before we start dropping. In my opinion, we need to get the bulls here, make a bull trap, and then potentially continue to the downside. Right there. So that's my take on Veracity. If we do break this support here at the 2.5 cent level, and we break it with a huge amount of volume, check out how this has been a major resistance and support box, guys. When this breaks down with a huge amount of volume on that retracement, we have a huge amount of candles, huge amount of candles here with low volume. This is the moment you want to short it. Or if we manage to have a nice breakout here from this descending wedge with some pretty nice volume, get in on any type of retracement, because this might continue to the upside. Stop loss rules, well, pretty simple. If we do have that clear breakout to the downside, stop loss well above this major support level, so it would be round about here. And if you break to the upside, stop loss just below this level. Okay, you can see it's been defended. You know, you wanna have that stop loss pretty far away, because there is a lot of volatility in crypto, and yeah, your stop loss can get jumped if you have it pretty close to your major level. Right, let's take a look at the comment section. It's now the 1:10 in my time zone. BTC slowly straighting to drop below the 43k. Let's see 38k and entry points become triggered. Yes, this is that's been my I've been thinking about that, you know, for the last couple of weeks, since we had that major dip right over here. You know that my level has been 38k, but I'm starting to see a lot of YouTubers and a lot of people talking about 38k, and this is making me feel a little bit bullish. You know, everybody's expecting that 38k and that major bounce from this level. We might just, you know, skyrocket from here. But I think that is also very unlikely, because S&P 500 not looking too great, the S&P 500, and it's super important. We, you know, all eyes on the traditional stocks. Dow Jones, S&P, very important. I think the S&P will have a run up, and we might start falling by tomorrow. We're just holding here by a thread from this uptrend. So let's see what happens also on the S&P 500. Very important, guys. Let's see. I am only going to become bullish, guys, like I said on my video, when we have a clear breakout. I do not rush into trades. I do not follow the price action. If we have a nice breakout with volume, I am going to wait for that retracement, okay? And if we start breaking out from these levels, it is pretty simple. Where's the low part? Right over here. If we break and we hit 46,500, then or 47,000, then obviously Fibonacci. All of these are good entry points. All right, the 38%, the 50%. So if we do have that major pump, that retracement is going to be golden to place some long orders. Okay, only if we have a good amount of volume, guys. If we break out like this, slightly hitting $46,000 with very low volume, I might be even shorting this, because I'm going to know it's a fake out. But anyway, I'll let you know about that in my Telegram group. All right, I did not place any longs on BNB or XRP because of Bitcoin and the traditionals. Check out Enjin, guys. Enjin today, this is looking for that breakout. It is actually breaking out from this resistance already. I covered it at $1.25 in today's video. It is very likely that we'll be retesting the resistance here of $1.50 for Enjin. Okay, now that is a good trade. Trade at your own risk. Okay, so that would be a really good move here to retest just below the $1.50 major resistance. Right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the comment section. Hi everyone, don't forget to smash up the like button. You got it, Mark Dutch. You're the best. Thank you very much. 275 watching, 65 likes, guys. Come on, it just takes 2 seconds to scroll down, smash up the like button, and I'll be you know, it'll be really appreciated. Best channel on YouTube, says Carl from the Moon here in the comment section. Absolutely great to see Carl's support from the channel. We need to do another collaboration, that is for sure. D-Ro, please, let's take a look at D-Ro straight away for one of my subscribers. Straight away, well, let's take a look at D-Ro. Right, D-Ro, pretty simple here for D-Ro. Let's zoom out on the daily. We are in a very good uptrend here on D-Ro. Very, very good uptrend. bouncing in between resistance and support, guys. This is just, you know, it can't get any more simple when you look at support and resistance on by trading. Okay, check out, okay, DRO, this cryptocurrency anyway, how, you know, we've created this resistance, boom, we broke it, turned it into support, we broke it, turned it into support. So it's just super simple price action. Now I'm a little bit cautious on this cryptocurrency because there is a moment, all right, when you pump in that there is a moment that you will turn over. How do you know we're going to turn over? Well, you need to check out how many waves there is. And I see, you know, from this low part, you know, this low area, this wasn't a first wave. I would count this as a first wave, second, third, fourth, fifth wave. Okay, the price may be getting exhausted here and we're going to start an ABC correction. Now, only if, how would you trade this? How would you retrace this, the retracement? Well, as soon as you break here below this third wave, right? That's the third wave. As soon, you look how many bounces we got from this level. As soon as you break it, and the first retracement, you want to get in and you want to get out here at this next potential support, wherever the price has reached, okay? For DRO in this example. It looked pretty bullish, but yeah, you basically buying at the top here at this cryptocurrency, by this cryptocurrency. There's been too many waves to the upside. There might be a couple of waves to the downside, making an ABC correction. Okay, keeping it pretty simple. We have retested already, you know. Let's go to the 4 hourly. You know, this is such a clear sign that this cryptocurrency has topped out here in the short term at about $22, $23, because we've already retested it twice. Check it out. 1 and 2, and now, you know, this third one, yeah, it's very unlikely that we might, you know, it's had the chance. Now, in between today and tomorrow, or in the next couple of days anyway, we've retested twice the resistance. We've retested here 2, even 3 times the support. Now, the next retest is going to be crucial. It is very likely wherever we go, we are going to break or that resistance or that support, because we've already retested it quite a few times, right? If we do retest support, guys, keeping it pretty simple, easy stuff. You know, you need to wait for that breakout. Don't try and chase, don't try and guess that we are going to go down, because you don't know where this might go up. So only break out from this support level, you break out, huge amount of volume, you always have some kind of retracement, get under retracement, get out here, retesting the bottom. Now, if we do break that resistance, that all-time high with volume, the same scenario, guys, it is, you know, it can't get any easier and effective than that. You break out, you get into the retracement, retest here the support, boom, you're in, you're out at a double top. It is the one of them. I explained this on my how-to video. Check out in the description my how I make up to $100 every single day by trading, guys, using PrimeXBT or Bybit. There is the tutorial is in the tutorial section down below, how I make. And this is one of the strategies. It's the last one I explained on my video, and it's got to be one of the most effective ones, guys. But you need to get in and out on the first bounce. You do not get on the second bounce, because usually the price, you know, in this case, yes, you have got that, it did give you that second chance to get in on another bounce, but you know, it is better getting in the first bounce of a breakout, okay, if you can. Please check Gala and VeChain, please. Let's take a look at VeChain. VET. What's going on with VET is VET getting ready for a breakout here. We have broken out from this descending wedge kind of pattern. Currently, we need to get above this major resistance, which is the 0.095 cents. It has been a super strong resistance and support in the past. We currently stayed below it, but yeah, if you ask me, it is likely that we are going to get that major move up, okay? Yeah, basically we're breaking out now from this kind of descending wedge. So it is looking pretty bullish. I would love to see a breakout of 0.95, hitting that 10 cents, 10.5 cent level with some pretty nice volume, guys. Any type of retracement would be great to re-enter here on VeChain. I think, yeah, the price has got pretty exhausted already from this major drop. Already got exhausted. We are ready for that potential reversal, guys. It looks very bullish in my opinion. But we want to see some price action. We want to see some volume breakouts. Then I'm going to say, guys, we're reversing. Let's look for long opportunities. inside of this range, we were looking for shorts. But when you already have, you know, ABC correction, you have 5 waves also, we are trying to confirm the next reversal point. And if we have a good candle with volume, any type of retracement, we're going to say, guys, I'm long, guys. I'm long here. I'm entering here. I'm exiting here. But we need some confirmation eventually. I will be notifying any of these altcoin trades in my Telegram group. On the Telegram group, it is down below, guys. The alerts channel also, and the community channel. It's Mr. Moon himself. Yes. Hi Mark, how are you? Says Legendary Prince. Right. Let's see. EWTTA, please, says Nitesh. BTC is dumping. Let's see if BTC is dumping. Yeah, still hovering around the $43,000. EWT, Energy Web Token. I almost bought some of this cryptocurrency. I didn't in the end. I don't know why this is here. Let's take this out of the way. Let's zoom in here on Energy Web Token. Very, very bad performer for the last, you know, it hasn't been a great performer. I know this is not one of those cryptos that has made, you know, 10, 20x. Let me just zoom in here. A lot of wicks. This is on Kraken. A lot of wicks here. A lot of scammy wicks. Let's see if we can find another exchange. Qcoin, Energy Web Token. Not so many wicks here. Now, taking a look at Energy Web Token. I think, yeah, this is also kind of forming a descending wedge. This might be ready for a pop to the upside. We've still got a pretty long way. Okay, we have these lower highs. We can even come all the way up to $10 and still be inside of this descending wedge. So I like this nice round formation. Can this be a cup and handle? It could. It's not the most beautiful. Yeah, I would say no, because I want to see a cup and handle, you know, retesting the resistance nicely at the same level. Also, the handle cannot be, you know, it cannot go as low as 50% of the cup. Yeah. So no, I just say it's the descending wedge. It is, you know, if you are bullish in this project, and I know this project is pretty bullish. It wants to be in the inside of the entire energy sector worldwide, and yeah, who knows, it might succeed very, very well. This is the moment to start dollar cost averaging into this cryptocurrency if you are bullish on it. So make sure to check it out. BTC not holding 43k, says Mirza. Holding by a thread, guys. It is looking not too bad. Okay, this is not looking too bad. If we're going to be hovering around this range for the next few hours, it is likely that we might have a pop. Okay, we need the bears need to defend this level. They need to push the price down in the next hour or two, because if we're going to be here for 4 or 5 hours going sideways, it is likely that we are going to finally pop to the upside. Okay, bears need to push down in the next hour or two if they want to defend this downtrend. If we do pop with nice volume, the trend is going to change, guys, and there is where we're going to look for some long positions. Hi Andy, my man, says Elvis. Hello. Hi Andy, Sushi, please. Let's take a look at Sushi for undefined gravity. Sushi hasn't been did get a massive hit. Sushi did get a massive hit. Came up from this level and came straight back down with very hard volume. Now, this is the thing, guys, you know, taking a look at the 4-hourly or the daily, when you see a lot of volume pushing down on a retracement, I mean, this was a clear stop loss trade. We did break out from this kind of descending broadening wedge, and you cannot win them all. It was a pretty nice breakout. I think BTC was looking pretty bearish, so this was something to be very, very cautious. Check out the date here. This was in between the 16th and the 17th of September, And I think BTC was looking very, very bearish. Yeah, this was exactly at this moment, 16th and the 17th of September. This is why we were talking about Sushi being pretty bullish. We suddenly had that massive spike to the upside, and yeah, we were just about to have a massive dip on BTC. So this is why it's good to compare Bitcoin and other and the altcoins. If altcoins are looking very bullish and BTC is looking bearish, I'm not taking the trade, guys. Bitcoin is an indicator for altcoins for 95% of the altcoins. If I see this, and this measured move was coming all the way up to the $18 for Sushi. We had a breakout there. We should have come up at least to around about the $17 anyway. We were retracing. This would have been a great entry point, okay? But I did not trade this, and I did say that I wasn't going to trade it because I was ready to short BTC. I did not manage to get into this because my order didn't get triggered. Yeah, we were just about to have that fall, and I was saying, guys, yeah, I'm not entering any bullish altcoins because BTC is going to drop. And yeah, basically that is what happened. We had that massive correction here, coming all the way back down to retesting these lower low support, as you can see, for Sushi. Now it looks like we had a fake out, and we're still inside of this descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern. If Sushi manages to break below $9 successfully with pretty high volume, it's not going to be looking good. We might be retesting $6. I think this is very unlikely. I think the most likely scenario here for Sushi is continuing to the upside from this moment. We've had that really strong retracement, and it is time to start going to the upside. I don't think we'll be going below $6. It doesn't look like it. Anyway, it will be bearish as soon as we break the $9 range. As soon as we break $9 here with Sushi, with volume, I think $6 is inevitable. It's on the next major support range. But I think it should be holding very nicely, and Sushi will be continuing up in the next coming weeks. Now, all depends on BTC, guys, like I say always. Orlandi, we can't hear you. Can you? Hello, guys, can you hear me? Loud and clear, says quite a lot of people. Yes. We must get an explosive breakout, says Little B Streaming. Yes, we should. I mean, I'm only going to become bullish if we see this, guys. If we see a candle like this with some pretty good volume, I'm going to say, guys, it's time to switch bullish, all right? It is time to switch bullish. But until then, we are still in a downtrend, guys. We could see the BTC price dropping a little bit further. Hello, Andy. Thanks again for everything. Have missed the last few live streams, but have watched back. What's with XRP pump? I don't know why XRP pumped. Maybe some good news. I don't know. But XRP was looking pretty good anyway because right, no, let me just get my Binance chart here, because yeah, we are in this descending wedge. We did have a breakout here with volume, but like I said, guys, altcoins can be printing very bullish patterns. And yeah, if BTC is looking a little bit bearish and not too much strength, we know that the dominance isn't going down. Which BTC dominance is going slightly to the upside. It's getting a little bit of a recovery after the drop from the last few weeks. So it is pretty bullish though. We have broken out from this descending wedge. There was kind of a little bit of volume here. But XRP is not one of my favorite cryptos to trade, guys. Check out the chart here. This is such a messy chart. It is so messy. I hate trading it. I think I must have traded XRP 2 times. I never trade XRP really, because it just goes up, down. It does kind of these inverted Bart Simpson patterns. Very volatile also. Yeah, it's not the best looking chart to trade XRP. Anyway, we know that the 90 cent is holding pretty nicely. This is where I have this box. We have a major resistance and support level right over here. So XRP should be coming all the way up to the $1, $1.05. It should, okay, after this downtrend side, this descending wedge. Now we are forming a floor right over here. But yeah, no, we need to see a little bit of confirmation, guys. As soon as we see a nice spike in volume, then any retracement would be good to re-enter here. There's no price action to the upside. Bulls are not fighting too much. So this is not legit. This is not a legit breakout from a descending wedge. We want to see a spike in volume, and then any type of retracement would be good to re-enter, okay? It's just boring sideways action. We did have that pump yesterday, but look at this wick on the 4-hourly. Look at this massive wick. We do have volume. We have a massive wick. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart, because you know we might have seen some selling pressure also. A 30-minute chart is pretty good still. What about the 5-minute? 5-minute is pretty bullish. So yeah, I mean, it is a pretty high volume here. This breakout on the 5-minute, not too much selling pressure. So we should be continuing to the upside here for XRP. But as I said, all eyes on BTC. If BTC drops to 38k to even below 40k, XRP will get bashed and come back down to maybe to retest 80 cents is very, very likely. Even though we did break out from this descending wedge, we could still fall to 80 cents and we'll be retesting the top here from the wedge. So stay cautious, guys, by longing just yet. BTC dumping. Let me go through the comments, guys. Boom. Sunny, please. Avax says Steve. SLP, please, for Yash. All right, SLP. Let's take a look at SLP for Yash. SLP US dollar. Let's take a look at this crypto. This is not looking good. Oh, smooth love potion. Yeah, this is just going down. This is just going down. This is one of those, yeah, a potion for Axie Infinity game, right? This might have its moment. I mean, the thing about this SLP, I think it's got an infinite supply. If we take a look at SLP, this is a, I think it's a potion or something for Axie Infinity. I'm not in the gaming industry. I haven't got time. I'm mostly doing my trading on YouTube. So I would love to do some NFT gaming, but I just haven't got the time. Yeah, this is the thing about this smooth love potion. It must have some type of infinite creation in the game or something. I have no idea, but you see it's got an infinite supply, okay? It's got infinite supply, and this is the thing, you know, this might be going down for quite a long time. It's maybe finding a floor. It's still early. We want to break here the last lower high, okay, on this crypto. But that's the thing, it's got infinite supply, okay? SLP, smooth love potion. Can you check Avax? Yeah, straight away. SXP also, yeah. Koti, please. Wow, I'm getting a huge amount of altcoins now in the comment section. Have you opened any trades on Enjin? No, because I'm mainly trading on Bybit and on PrimeXBT, and Enjin is not in here. Enjin is not on Bybit. I checked it before. It is on Femex, but if you want to trade Enjin, you can do it on Femex. I haven't got any funds, and I don't want to put some funds there now. I got most of my trading funds on Bybit and PrimeXBT. So yeah, this is why I'm not trading Enjin, but I would have, you know, I would actually trade Enjin. Stop loss $1.15 approximately. Stop loss round about the $1.15, $1.14. A tight stop loss, and yeah, you can potentially gain here at least all the way up to the $1.48 would be my target. First target. I think there's going to be a lot of resistance there, but it is likely that we are going to see that pop up. Okay, when I covered it today, it was around about the $1.25. It's currently at $1.29. I would like to see some volume here from this breakout. It is a risky one. It is a risky one, but it is likelier that we are going to hit the $1.50 than the $1.14, for example, which would be this below this major support level. yeah, well, that's the reason I'm not trading it. I would have placed a small long position here on Enjin. You can trade Enjin on Phemex, okay? You got a good bonus down below. I think it's you can get $200 worth of bonus. It is down in the description if you scroll down. My main platforms are Bybit and PrimeXBT, that's why. But I have got a bonus down for Phemex. It is down in the description if you want to trade Enjin. SXP, right, let's take a look at SXP straight away. SXP, what's going on with SXP? Is this swipe? Swipe. I think it's swipe. SXP, yeah, swipe. Well, swipe lost a major support right over here, which was at the $2.60. It had a huge amount of selling pressure on the 7th of September, but a huge amount, okay? Much more than what we've ever seen on swipe for the last year, potentially. Yeah, the huge amount of selling pressure on swipe has been, yeah, it just destroyed the price. But swipe might be having that moment of pumpiness very, very soon. Check out the volume here on Binance on swipe. It's absolutely ridiculous. This got absolutely crushed. Any type of retracement here was good to trade. You could have added to your position and you exit here at a double bottom. This one got absolutely crushed here on the 7th of September. But yeah, we may be bottoming out here. It's at least it's found a floor. Seems like the $2 range is a very strong support level. We are creating lower highs here on SXP. I tell you what, if we do break out nicely from this last lower high, it is going to be looking okay in the short term. Okay, this crypto has gone up, has got bashed by this major selling pressure. Maybe a lot of investors, a lot of people have lost hope on this crypto. Right, a lot of comments. Matic, IOST, Koti. Right, let's take a look at Matic straight away. Matic also broken out from this descending wedge. I would become bullish on Matic as soon as we get above this lower high here. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it. This is the 4-hourly chart. We have started to break out slightly. There's no volume at all here on Binance, so not a legit breakout at all. This could be an easy fake out, but we got this resistance from these lower highs. Now, as soon as Matic gets above the $1.20, okay, with pretty nice volume, then it is we can start to look for those long positions because we'll be changing the trend. Now, this is the thing. It is risky to short now because we are at the very end of our downtrend. We are forming a descending wedge on some cryptos. It is a bullish pattern, but it is also risky to long because we could continue down. Now, the reason the moment that we need to long is when we see a massive breakout with volume. Then we're going to say, guys, this is going to change the trend. Let's start looking for some long positions here on the retracement. But we want to see a confirmation, guys. We're just waiting. It might take a day. It might take 2 days for that confirmation. It's going to happen very, very soon. It's going to happen very soon. Just like when we saw the confirmation of the 7th of September for Bitcoin. Sorry. If you are an old subscriber, we were impatient. We were talking about this potential dip, for days. We were saying, guys, this is going to drop any second now. And it took a couple of days. If you watch my videos from the 5th and the 6th of September, we were looking for that drop. As soon as we dropped, that's it. Yeah, we're getting into short positions on the retracement. Now, this is the thing. We need to wait for a confirmation. We need to break out. Any type of retracement will be good to play some long positions. We'll be changing the trend. So, yeah, guys, this is the thing. You only need 1 trade in a month or 2 trades to make your wage, okay? You know, it's only enough for me to make 2 trades a month. I usually day trade on PrimeXBT, but when I'm Bybit, if I make a couple of thousand in 1 trade or 2 trades, that is me sorted for the month. So this is a waiting game. It's boring. Trading is boring. Okay, whoever's emotional in trading will lose money and very fast. Whoever wants to trade every day, I also scalp, but yeah, this is a waiting game. Trading is boring, okay? I really like reading the charts, and I think trading is fun for me, but it shouldn't be not emotional at all. A lot of people get emotion. I see it on the comment section. BTC pumping, BTC dumping. What shall we do? Pumping, dumping. I don't care if it dumps or it pumps or whatever. I wait for the price to come to my entry point. You need to be very strict with your trading. Trading is boring. When you know how to trade properly, it is boring. Right, SXP. I've taken a look at that one already. A lot of SXP in the comment section. Swipe. Avax, can you check Avax here for Volen? Yes, straight away. Let's take a look at Avax. Next crypto, Avax, US dollar. Not looking great here. Not looking great. I think price action is just going. It's getting a little bit exhausted. We tried to break out here nicely, but there was no volume at all from the last all-time high. So clear fake out from the last all-time high. I would see a nice breakout of $75 here with volume. That would be bullish. Any type of retracement would be good. Same scenario of what happened here. All-time high, retest there, didn't manage to break it. A little bit of a fake out in this area, and then we finally broke out. First retest, you enter, you exit here at a double top. That would be the same scenario here for the bullish side. We nice breakout, any type of wick to the downside, you enter and you exit here at a double top. So that would be my bullish case scenario. Now the thing is that the price is getting kind of exhausted. We're just going sideways to the downside. My take here on Avax, if we do lose the last all-time high here from February, which is currently at about the $60, if we do lose the $60 here for Avax, yeah, it's not going to be looking good. If we do lose it with very high volume to the downside, if we do see that panic sell, that suddenly that massive crash, any type of retracement is going to be good. So that would be my scenario. Now we're just consolidating, which is good. The RSI on the 4 hourly is going down pretty fast here, pretty nice, and the price hasn't been going down too far away, so it's looking okay. Just going sideways here, pretty much. We might be pumping here in the next coming weeks. Sunny, please, what is this crypto? Is that the ticker symbol? Sunny, yep, Sunny Aggregator. Let's take a look at this cryptocurrency here for your for is it for Steve? Sunny. Right, we haven't got no data here on Sunny on TradingView. Sorry about that. No data here of Sunny. I have no idea what this crypto is. Is it a pretty relatively new project? It goes on the Solana blockchain. Yeah, we haven't got no data, sorry, on TradingView, so no technical analysis on Sunny. Best channel in the universe. Well, after Natalie's channel, that is, says Ian. Thank you very much, Ian. Join the Telegram group, says Mark Dutch. Absolutely, guys. Join the Telegram group. We've got an insane community, just about to hit 1,000 followers, okay? 1,000 subscribers on the Telegram group. Great community. Your TA is awesome, Andy. Your analysis very reasonable. No emotion and FOMO. Thank you very much, Gaffrey Andy. Andy, which indicator do you use for day trading? John G. What indicators I use for day trading? I mainly use price action and volume, okay? I like to trade patterns. I like to see sometimes the RSI for bullish and bearish divergence, okay? But yeah, mainly price action and volume. Okay, support and resistance. You know, I like to see Elliott wave theory also. You know, this is the thing, when you go up so many times in waves like this, you know, it is likely that we are going to have a dip. You know, if you watched my channel here on the 5th or 6th of September, we were expecting that major drop. I was closing all of my altcoin long positions, Bitcoin. I'm saying, guys, I'm out for the moment. You can check the video on the 6th of September. This was the day before the actual drop. And now is the moment where we want to become bullish. Now, you know, very, very soon becoming bullish. But the only thing I am concerned about is that we are going to have, you know, maybe that last little dip here to scare a lot of people, guys. We need to see that. Absolutely, you know, people getting extremely fearful, you know, saying, oh my God, we are going to go to that $30,000 retest the low. You know, we are going to retest these lows. Now we're just hitting 37,000, and this is the moment where we are going to pop, in my opinion. Okay. So that's why I'm not bullish just yet. I'm only going to be becoming bullish when we pop from this $45,000 major resistance. Any type of retracement there is going to be great for buying opportunity. I will be notifying you if this happens. I'm saying, guys, I'm re-entering here. I'll tell you where my stop loss is. But till then, guys, where is the price going to go? I do not know. I react after the price action, guys. Traders react to the price action. There is a possibility, high possibility, that we do have that last leg down. In my opinion, it would be my last leg down, or depending on you know, because the markets are driven by emotions also. So if we suddenly see a lot of people that panic, and there is a lot of people that panic always, you know, if we do have that sell off to 38, 37k, who knows that we might see, you know, a bunch of people, thousands of people selling their Bitcoin because they're scared and they think they know that we are going to go below $30,000. And we might have that cascade event potentially hitting 32, 30,000. It all depends on how the price is going to be stopped. Okay, for the moment, it is looking pretty good. This level is being defended very, very well, just above $40,000. And the reason it is defended as well, because a lot of people don't want to sell their Bitcoin also. And if we take a look at the VPVR, let's go on the daily. It is super important, guys, this also, okay? You know, I'll be reading the comment section now straight away. The volume profile, guys. The VPVR, super important indicator also. This is one of my only indicators just to check out, you know, where there's a lot of, there's a big wall of money. And there is a big wall of money in between $30,000 and $40,000, and this mainly buying power. Okay, buying power here because the price went up, buying power here because the price went up. I think all of these people that have been buying in between $30,000 and $40,000, they don't want to sell their Bitcoin. So this is why it is a major level. We also saw that it has been major resistance. This is the $40,600, $40,700. You know, look how many times we have got rejected here. Resistance, 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 resistance. And, you know, we successfully broke out of it. So we might be defending very, very well this range, guys. We're maybe not going to hit that $38,000. But don't worry, we'll be finding some very good trades if we do break out the $45,000. Don't worry, we'll be finding very good trades to the upside. Any type of retracement will be good to re-enter. Don't worry. I will be notifying when I have a good trade on the Telegram group. Let's hit that 100 like for Andy. We're already at 239, so that means I'm lagging a lot behind here in the comment section. IOST coin, Andy, any news or updates you know of? I have no following on IOST, but we can take a look at the charts here. I do not follow this project. I do not hold any of any coins from this project. This is not looking good because we had a retest at the all-time high. We got a massive rejection. Then we had I'm not sure if it's the all-time high. This high anyway at about 9 cents. 9 cents there, almost hitting 9 cents. We got heavily rejected. Now, are we going to form a cup and handle here? This is a very possible scenario, and it looks pretty good in my opinion. We haven't hit the 50% level or yet. Yeah, this could be actually a cup and handle, guys. So stay cautious on this. I have no idea of anything, of any news of IOST, but it has been here for quite a while. I think since what, 2018 maybe, or let me just check IOST. I have seen this crypto been for quite a few years. Yeah, I think since 2018. This is a very bullish setup, okay? I would start becoming bullish on this crypto. Look at this potential cup and handle right over there. Okay, we got that major resistance here at the 9-cent level. Boom, boom. Okay, 1, 2. We have a nice round formation. We have the handle. We're going sideways. I mean, this, if you ask me, it is likelier to do this. Retest the resistance, finally break it at some point, and continue to the upside here on IOST. It is more likely to do this than to do this and come back down and retest the lows, right? It does, and we are coming from a great uptrend. This is a beautiful cup and handle in my opinion. Yeah, let me just show you here. If you do not, you can just check out on Google cup and handle, and cup and handles usually, to be more bullish, they need to come from an uptrend. So this is the setup here. You become bullish on a cup and handle when you break the resistance, which would be around about the 9 cents here with the volume and the price target I'm going to show you right now. Remember Koti? I mean, I didn't detect Koti. Koti did a beautiful cup and handle, and Koti will be reaching the 85, 86 cents. In my opinion. Check out this cup and handle right over here. Let me just go to the daily better. I just want to show you guys, you're coming from an uptrend on Koti, right? You come in here from the 2, 3, 4, 5 cent level. You have a massive, you do have a lot of volatility here on the daily. You have a massive resistance though. This was at the 48 cents. You have resistance, a nice round bottom formation. You have the handle right over here. Boom, breakout from the handle. You break out from the resistance. Boom, we off to the races. Now, yeah, 85, 86 cents, something like that approximately is the target. Now, if you take a look at IOST, check out this, it's very, very similar to Koti, very similar price action. So yeah, expect fireworks potentially for this crypto. I have no idea. I don't follow any news. I don't follow the project. But if we do manage to break that 9 cent level, we could go as high as 15 cents in maybe weeks. It might be months. But that is the setup. Huge cup and handle right over here. Coming from an uptrend. This is textbook, like I showed you here from this, this picture. It is textbook. Technical analysis, cup and handle. This is ready. It's just having that first retracement from that massive run up from this low part, from this round bottom. It is looking bullish in my opinion. Okay, guys. Hi, how about Shiba? Let's take a look at Shiba. Yeah, I don't like Shiba Inu. At the moment, I got some friends calling me about, Binance, crypto, the boom in February, March. And I had a couple of friends talking to me about Shiba Inu. And then I'm thinking, oh my God, the market's going to have a massive crash. And yeah, it did. This is when we were talking about that potential distribution. I saw a lot of people talking about the Wyckoff distribution. I got friends calling me for Shiba Inu. Yo, what is this hype? What is Shiba Inu? And this was around about this area over here. I'm thinking, oh my God. Yeah, and eventually that didn't turn out well. It didn't turn out well. After having my mates calling me for Shiba Inu, we were taking a look at this potential this distribution from Wyckoff. We were starting to see analysts talking about it, and yeah, we had the crash. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is absolutely boring. We do not know where. This is just going sideways. Check out here how many times we retested this resistance, and check out how many times we retested the support. The trend is sideways, okay? We do not have a clear trend. Usually when you trade, we've got an uptrend, okay? This is looking very bullish. We've got an uptrend, or this has got a very bearish trend. It is, you know, it's bearish. We're going down. Shiba Inu is sideways. It's the trend is sideways. So no clear direction. As soon as we start breaking this resistance over here, which is, I'm not going to say the number because, yeah, it's 0.000009. As soon as we break this resistance, we're going to start looking pretty bullish. Okay, if we do break with volume, we might be starting a trend. Or if we break this support level, we might be continuing to the downside here for Shiba Inu. It's been boring all the way since June, so just been going sideways. BTC bull flag on the 15-minute says aspect root. Let's take a look at this potential bull flag for BTC on the 15-minute chart. Let's go straight away to it. Yeah, well, maybe so, yeah. Can this be a bull flag? It could. We have some pretty okay volume. We have some okay volume here from this uptrend. We would have to break here nicely from this resistance, which is at the $43,700. It could be a bull flag, but we got so much resistance on top of us. I want to see a nice breakout here and change the trend. This is a very risky long because we do have a lot of resistance on top of us. A lot of resistance. But it could be traded. It's a risky one. If you want to risk the breakout here from this resistance, which is currently at the 43,700, place your stop loss here behind the support because you might see a lot of volatility. It is an option. It is an option. Do you think ADA has bottomed? Let's take a look at ADA. I'm not sure if ADA has bottomed. $2 is holding very nicely for ADA. Has ADA bottomed? This is the daily chart. Well, we do know that the $2 is the $1.80 actually is a major resistance zone. It has been a resistance right over here, and it has been support very nicely, and it's also been very support here at the, you know, the last couple of weeks. Yeah, maybe ADA won't go below $1.80. If BTC does start pumping very, very soon. Let's go to the 4 hourly. Yeah, ADA may be bottoming out. The price action is looking pretty good. The bears are losing a little bit of steam. We had the 7th of September dump. We had, you know, the second dump here, not even going slightly below the 7th of September. So that is pretty good. BTC did go well above the 7th of September dump. Now, yeah, it's looking pretty good actually. This might be reversing very, very soon. You know, if we take the highs here, make a trend line. Yeah, we did have a little bit of fake out there. It would be ideal if ADA does manage to get above the $2.35. It has been a super strong support area, as you can see right there. It has been a huge resistance. So it's pretty clear if we do break out from this range, the $2.35, it is going to be looking very, very bullish. We might be starting an uptrend here. Right. Let me go through the comment section. 4 hour BTC looks very bad. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly. Does it look bad? 4 hourly, 4 hourly chart looks bad. Yeah, we're getting a massive. We've got still a few hours to close this candle. Yeah, still got 1 hour to close this candle. If we do see this massive wick here, this massive rejection, not going to be looking good. When you have 3, 4, 5 4 hourly candles at a major resistance zone, look what happens, guys. You know, you got the example right over here. Look how many 4 hourly candles there's there. Look how many 4-hourly candles there's there. You know, we just got a few hours for the bulls to fight, because if not, we're going down. We're going down. You do not stay here for long, okay? You don't have, you know, 6, 7, 8 4-hourly candles going sideways. There will be a direction in the next coming hours, and it's not looking good for the bulls. They need to fight right now in the next couple of hours. Money says comp. Let's take a look at comp straight away. Comp US dollar. Oof. Not looking too good for comp. We did have an ascending triangle here. We can take that out of the way, which is mainly bullish, bouncing in between support and resistance, creating higher lows and having a major support here at $520. We finally broke out of it, came back up and retested the support, turning it into resistance, and we had that massive fall here on the 7th of September. Now, what is happening? We can take this out of the way now. What is happening to compound? We're having a little bit of selling pressure here on compound. It's not looking too good. The most bullish thing you could say is that we are creating a descending wedge here for compound. But losing a major support level, which is the $320, has been lost. It has been a major level that we've been bouncing quite a few times. We're currently losing this level with some pretty high volume. Yeah, not looking good. I will start becoming bullish on compound as soon as we recover this major resistance zone, which is the $3.20. If we do break out the $3.20, that means that we are breaking out from these lower high descending wedge. Then we're going to start becoming bullish here again. Only when we break out the $3.20 with volume, then any type of retracement will be nice to get in for a potential swing trade. Okay, guys, compound can be traded on Bybit. Okay, you get the best bonus down below. Compound is on Bybit, I think. Yeah, compound is on Bybit, so you got up to $600 worth of bonus, okay, on Bybit. So check out Bybit, guys. You got the best bonus down below in the description. Right, comment section, let's take a look. Thoughts on BTC? Yeah, BTC, we got only an hour or two to fight here. A couple of hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours, but yeah, we should, if the bulls want to fight, they need to fight right away. They need to fight now, okay? If not, we're going to get, you know, massively rejected. We're going to come back down to the 40-cent range. Okay, so stay cautious with the next coming moves for BTC. Andy, please check out Alice. Check out Alice. All right, let's take a look at Alice. Let's take a look at Alice straight away. Oh, it's not looking too bad. It's had a pretty decent pump, but we are getting massively rejected here from this major resistance. Let me just zoom in here on Alice on the 4-hourly, because I mean, this is the thing about support and resistance, guys. Check out here, Alice, how we have been bouncing at the just around about the $11.50. Look how it's been such a strong support level right over here. $11.50 has been a major level for Alice. Look, as soon as we successfully broke it, look how we got rejected as resistance right over there. Now we are retesting it again. We maybe created a double bottom here on Alice. As soon as we break $11.50 here nicely with volume, we are starting to see volume here nicely. I want to go to the $13, $14, and then on the retracement, it is going to be great for a long-in opportunity. Okay, it looks like that we also formed here a descending wedge. We're just about breaking out from this descending wedge, which is good. Yeah, this is looking pretty bullish. Okay, Alice is looking pretty good. Check out Alice, how we are breaking out from these lower high structure. We're just retesting this major resistance at $11.50, $11.80, you know, more or less. This is plus minus 50 cents because of the volatility. If we successfully break out $13, $14, any type of retracement here is a great buy zone, in my opinion, to retest the high of the breakout. It's not looking too bad. This ready to start to have some pumpy action, in my opinion. Right, okay, now let's take a look at some other cryptocurrencies here in the comments section. I've taken a look at IOST already. Tell Robbie, he's around. Right, I've taken a look at IOST already. Let's take a look at H-bar here for QU. Let's take a look at H-bar. I hate this cryptocurrency for technical analysis. It's been so choppy. It's not legit with its support and resistance. Look at this. Oh my god. I hate this cryptocurrency for technical analysis. Look how we broke from the all-time high here, which was at about 45 cents. We broke out of it. We went all the way up to almost 60 cents. And it's like a pump and dump. Yeah, the project might be cool, but I think there's a little bit of manipulation on this cryptocurrency. Very dodgy movements. Okay, check out the volatility on it. This for trading is, yeah, it's not an ideal market to trade this. H-bar, not an ideal cryptocurrency to trade. Very choppy price action. What is my take here on this crypto? I mean, I don't know if you're bullish on this project. Now it's had a massive dump. Maybe it's a good time to buy. We are still clearly in this uptrend over here. Check out Sol. Let's take a look at Solana here for Doodle Dude. Solana US dollar. Holding by a thread the $130. Holding by a thread this range. 130, yeah. 125. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly here quickly. Phew. This is holding by a thread at this moment. Buyers need to step in. It does look like that we're finding a floor. We've found a floor, which is currently in between $120, $130. It's a major resistance turning into heavy support, but we are technically creating still lower highs, guys. This is really bearish. This is really bearish. We are getting at the very end, okay, of creating lower highs. We need to start breaking the last lower high, which would be this one here at $146. As soon as we break this lower high over here, then we're going to start becoming bullish. But till then, yeah, it's not looking too good. Not looking too good. Solana's, you know, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We need to break that last lower high over here at 146. Nice volume, nice breakout. Then we're potentially going to change the trend and tackle all-time high. But till then, this is pretty bearish. We're just holding by a thread, the $120, $130. We're going down, we're going down, we're going down. You know, in the next coming days, you know, it might be a week or two at the most. We are going to have a pretty aggressive move at some direction. This is just consolidating. We're going to need to move at some point. You know, it might be up, might be down, and if it goes up, we're going to try and take advantage of that movement on the retracements. And if it's down here losing the $120, well, we'll have to, you know, take advantage at any type of retracement to get in a trade. So yeah, that's my take on Solana. It's just looking for an explosive breakout very soon. Enjin says, Pradeep, yeah, I've taken a look at Enjin in today's video. Let's take a look at Enjin here quickly. Enjin breaking out, guys. What do you want me to say? We've been taking a look at this today. It was looking pretty bullish. I was saying of the probabilities, it is more probable to come and retest just below the $1.50 than actually breaking the $1.20 sense. You would have to have a tight stop loss, $1.15, $1.14, around about this area. Tight stop loss. This is very likely going to tackle the $1.48 approximately. Okay. Yeah, check out today's video. This is what we were talking about. You know, Enjin hitting a major support level from this uptrend, these higher lows. Currently getting, you know, very, very tight here on this range. Hitting a major support level, which is the $1.20 also. This was ready for a pop. It's currently at $1.30, so it's looking pretty good. Yeah, I think Enjin will be tackling the $1.50. It might take a day, it might take 3 days. I don't know. I think it is very, very likely it does have that run up to $1.50 approximately. Andy, can you show how you use the Fibonacci retracement on BTC? Thank you, brother. I'm learning a lot from your channel, says Matthew. Well, Fibonacci retracements is pretty well. It's pretty simple for me, but of course for people that are beginning, then it is not. I mean, Fibonacci retracement, it depends on what you're trading. Are you trading the short term? Are you trading the long term? You know, if we're trading, let's say we trade the 4 hourly. I like to do analysis on the 4 hourly a lot of the times. It is a time frame that a lot of traders use, the 4 hourly, because you can check out the short time frame, you can check out the larger time frame. You know, I can check out the last couple of days here, and I can check out the last few weeks on the 4 hourly. So it's a very, very it's a favorite time frame for traders, really, the 4 hourly, the 240 minutes. Now, pretty simple. You need to check out here where the start of a dip or a pump has started. So in this case, you know, if we started here from $53,000 right over here, this drop, your Fibonacci retracement is from this top to this low, right? I use Fibonacci also for the retracements to see if I want to enter at 50%, 62% golden pocket, and also using the volume as a clear indicator of where the price action is pushing, right? So Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, right over there. Check out here, we've touched the 50%, 62% level. That would be a good entry, okay? Around about this range. And yeah, and where's your exit strategy? It would be at retesting the low part, okay? You exit at almost hitting the low here. Same scenario. Now, where's the next dip? Well, this is the next dip, isn't it? Right over there. So this is the top. It is clearly the top, as you can see. And this is clearly the bottom right over there. Can you see it? Clearly the bottom there. So now you get your Fibonacci from the top here, from the bottom, right over there. Where's a good entry? Right over here at 62%. You know, 62% is the favorite level for traders. 50% is also a good entry point potentially. So this is, you know, usually the price action when you have a drop, it usually retraces at least to 38%, okay? So it doesn't always happen, but it happens a lot. So in between 38% and 62% level would be the areas, okay? You see, I have it here in the green. Red is too soon. This is how the Fibonacci is. Red is too soon, so that is not, don't enter at the red. Starting to light green, dark green, and you know, Turkish here, you know, being like the ultimate best buying moment. So the green area. And as you can see, we've been dropping from there, you know, retracement and drop. So that's how I use a Fibonacci. Anyway, it's I might be doing a video on fibs. I might be doing on fibs, you know, for the daily, for the 4 hourly, for the 1 hourly. Yeah, and also trading strategies with Fibonacci retracement. So we'll be getting a video on that. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. You want to get, you want to check out the best content available. What I know, I'm going to give you, you know, what I know. Check out the video on how I make up to $100 down below in the tutorial section. I've got some different patterns that you can detect on the charts. Check out FTM, says Shafi Anwar. Yeah, straight away, let's take a look at FTM. FTM. 300 likes, guys. Thank you very much. But we're 400 watching. What's going on? Why don't we get to 400 likes? That'd be even better, guys. Thank you very much. And yeah, massive thank you for that, the insane support that we get here on the channel. Phantom, look, Phantom was looking pretty bullish when we're starting to break out from this kind of descending wedge. I connected this lower high with this lower high, these lower lows. It was forming a descending wedge. This is usually bullish, but this is only bullish when we have a very good price action to the upside. Okay, so we want to see good price action to the upside. We want to see some pretty nice volume, and we're just going sideways. So this pattern is pretty much dead unless we start seeing some good momentum. It is a very, very strong support by the looks of things. You know, if we go to the 1 hourly, Phantom has been bouncing very nicely as support and resistance at this level. This is the $1.20 right up there, resistance, support here. We got a wick down, held very nicely as support. We got another support right over there. We finally, you know, we were getting below this level. We got below, it managed to, it was resistance, came back down, back up, support. So it is a major level, very hard for the price of Phantom to get below the $1.20 successfully, okay? Now this is going to be looking absolutely great and really bullish as soon as we break this level over here. We retested twice the $1.35. So if we break out this level with some pretty good volume, then that retracement should be holding very nicely as support here for Phantom. Looks like a very good level, the $1.35. Hi Andy, great consistent work, keep it up, man. If we have a drop, what level do you think would throw BTC in a bear market? If we successfully go below $38,000, and I mean successfully break out $38,000, this means going all the way down to $36,000, even $35,000, closing a very strong candle. Okay, let me just get this chart over here. I've got another chart here so you can check out the level. If we close a nice daily candle below $38,000, meaning that we're going to hit $36,000 or even $35,000, and we close that daily below this level, it's going to be game over for me for the next at least 6 months for BTC. I will not see BTC reaching all-time high at least for the next 6 months. It's going to be a mission impossible. We'll be fighting resistance, support. You know, it's going to take a long time for BTC to climb up. Now, this is the last hope for the bulls, and the reason why this is the last hope for the bulls is because from the pump year of July till September, you know, the bulls need to start defending this range, okay? The 50%, the 62%, and 62% is all the way down to $38,000. So we still got, you know, we've still got some movement to defend ourselves here. The bulls need, you know, the bears can push the price down even to $38,000, and that'll be absolutely fine. You know, we still, you know, we have that massive uptrend, correction. We need to go sideways, and the bulls need to start kicking in here, okay, and start pushing the price up. That is why $38,000 is my ultimate low part of BTC. If we close a daily candle with volume below this range, hitting $36,000, $35,000, it's going to be game over here for the next 6-8 months. Okay, part of 2022 is going to be bearish because I do see, you know, this massive, going to the daily chart here. Just 1 second. You know, we are going to be finishing this major pattern over here. It might be a descending triangle, and it would be very, very bearish. Part of 2022 is going to be bearish. The bulls will need a lot of energy, a lot of buying power to get above that, you know, above certain levels. So that is why $38,000 is my ultimate bottom, guys. If we break $38,000, close a strong daily candle, it is a game over. I'll be starting being bearish for the next 6 months at least. 6 months of bearishness for BTC if we break $38,000 successfully. We need to defend that level, start pumping from now or from $38,000. So that's why this week and next week is critical for Bitcoin. Decisive move. Right, let me go through the comments. Andy, can you check Toke? Says German. What is Toke? Tokemak. Let's take a look at this crypto straight away here for German here in the comments section. I think there's no data here on TradingView for some reason. Let's take a look at Toke. US dollar. Yeah, we haven't got any data on TradingView, which is unusual. Is it a pretty new project or is it a little bit of a dodgy project? Ranked 236 on CoinGecko. Yeah, we haven't got any data on TradingView, but I have no idea what this project is. Tokemak is a decentralized liquidity providing market making protocol designed to create efficient, sustainable liquidity across DeFi. Yeah, check out I haven't got any data. We're doing mostly technical analysis on the stream, but you can check out here Token, the website. If you go on CoinGecko, check out the website, the Twitter account, go on the Telegram, ask questions. We haven't got no data here for the charts. XRP 250 million funding to start NFT on XRP Ledger. Wow, absolutely great. Read chat, bro. Gonna 10x soon. XRP easy to trade, bro. Easy to trade. XRP maybe. I mean, it's been a very hard cryptocurrency. Yeah, we might see some pumpy action. We might be, we have broken out from this descending wedge. Everything is pointing out bullish. Everything is pointing out, that we are going to defend the 90-cent range, and we're going to start pumping. Very, very possible. Very, very possible. Taking a look at Solana already. He skipped some of the comments. Yes, I did skip some of the comments, but I mean, this is the thing. I can't read all of them, guys. I just try to scroll down because it's mission impossible if not. I can't, and I need at least 1 minute to check out the charts, check out some different levels. I'm sorry, I do try, but it's just, I'll be activating super chats as soon as I can, so then you can tip me a couple of dollars so I can check out your comment if you really want me to. But yeah, if I jumped your comment, I'm really sorry. I've checked out Solana already. Right. Hi Andy, are you done with ADA? Yes, RV, we've checked out ADA. ADA might be holding very nicely the $1.80, $2 range. I talked about that about 10-15 minutes ago. So read the comments about XRP. Yeah, I've checked out that. Okay, TX for your work. Thanks for your work and analysis, said Nunix. Thank you very much. BTC has tested 41k 6 times now. I have longed them all. The more it tests it, though, it will break through and drop like a rock. But I will keep an eye on the volume and see what I do. Stop loss is key. Very good, Dakinga. Yeah. $41,000. It has been a major support area because it has been so strong resistance, guys. We have been talking about this for a long time. Okay, we do know that it's a key resistance zone. It's a key support. It has been a key resistance, and yeah, that's why we have been bouncing very nicely from this range. It's going to take a lot of power for the bears to break that range. Most of the people have been buying at this range. How do I know this? Because look, in between 30,000 and 40,000, price has gone up. In between 30,000 and 40,000, price has gone up. So this is why there's still some hope that the BTC price will defend $38,000 and continue to the upside. There is still some hope, guys. It is not the end just yet. As soon as we close the daily candle below $38,000, I will be looking I'll be very bearish. What about BNB? Is that still a good project? Yeah, BNB is Binance. Yeah, I mean, you use BNB for the fees on the Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, it's definitely a good project. It's the largest exchange with volume in the world. So take a look at OMG Network. They launched their L2 solution mainnet. It's listed on Coinbase. Everything. Right. Let's take a look at OMG. Right, OMG looking pretty good, breaking all-time highs maybe? No, not yet. It is starting to break a major level, which is good. We need a successful breakout. The $11 and yeah, around about the $11.50. We're currently above it. It's been a major resistance zone. It looks like that we are maybe gonna break out nicely here and start pumping. The $15 is the next target for OMG. Looking pretty bullish, retesting the resistance every single time here. Now it's breaking out. OMG is looking bullish. $15 is the target, which is the all-time high here. I'm not sure if it's all-time high, but it is definitely this high over here where we've got a massive rejection. $15. Looking pretty bullish. Just about to break out from the $11.50. We need a nice volume and a nice breakout here. Right. Right, guys. 1 second. Let me go through the comments. Best platform to buy and hold, Andy. Buy and hold crypto. You mean an exchange? You can the one that I use mostly is Kraken, maybe Binance as well, because Binance has got a huge amount of tokens. But if you want the OGs, if you want Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Kraken, in my opinion, is my favorite. The fees are extremely low. But then if not, you can use Binance. They've got a huge amount of cryptos. Binance and Kraken are two good centralized exchanges that you can use. Andy, please take a look at Algo and Theta for me, says Mark Dirch. Straight away, my man. I'm going to be looking at them straight away. Say bye-bye to the S&P 500. It's absolutely, dropping. Phew. S&P 500, very important, guys. If we start losing this, if we start going down here on the S&P, yeah, guys, it's not going to be looking good. Best platform for holding, Ledger Nano is the best wallet for holding, okay? But to buy crypto, Kraken and Binance, in my opinion. Not Coinbase, the fees are extremely high. Now, Mark Dutch, let me take a look at Algorand and Theta for you. For Mark Dutch, one of my best supporters, moderators, Mark Dutch. Right, let me take a look here at Theta. What's going on with Theta? I'm extremely bullish on Theta in the long run, okay? Theta seems like it did get crushed, okay? We had this descending wedge. It was looking pretty bullish. Let's go to the daily. We are going to find a bottom very, very soon, in my opinion, for Theta. We had this descending wedge right over here, broken out. We might be coming down. I don't think we'll be going below $3.80. We're currently at $5 here. We should be technically maybe creating a higher low right over there. I'm bullish. We should be bottoming out at some point here for Theta. It's looking pretty bullish in my opinion. We're just having, that a little bit of selling pressure. We will be starting to reverse very, very soon, in my opinion, Mark. Algo, let's take a quick look at Algorand. Guys, it is mission impossible here to read all of the comments. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly here on Algorand. Not looking good. We're currently just retesting this major. Check out the all-time high here on Algorand. This was the all-time high around about the $1.70, $1.20, $1.70, $1.80. As you can see, we are currently, just retesting in a kind of a descending triangle here. Not looking too good. We need to start breaking out, okay? The good thing about this is the volume, okay? Volume is going really low while the trend is going down. We had a huge amount of volume while we're going up. Now, what do I think is going to happen? Descending, you could say it's a descending triangle. This is mainly bearish. So as long as we hold this range, which is the $1.50, it's going to be looking okay still. We need to break above this lower high at $1.85, and then this will be turning very nicely into support, in my opinion. This is what we want to see. We want to see a nice breakout with volume from these lower highs, okay? This lower high trend line. We want a nice breakout. Then we'll be very likely coming back up to retest the highs here on Algorand. But till then, we're just getting pushed down. As soon as we break this trend line with volume, we'll be looking into for some long opportunities here, potentially changing the trend. But till then, this is bearish still. This is bearish. We're getting pushed down. YT, you're welcome. Sorry guys if I didn't read your comment. It is absolutely mission impossible, guys. Make sure to check out Natalie, okay? Almost 400 likes. Thank you very much, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button, okay? I haven't got any trades open here on my Bybit account. But if you want to trade on Bybit, you got the best bonus available. It's up to $600 worth, okay, of bonus. All right. So yeah, guys, make sure to check Natalie. Natalie is going live. Most lovely TA, always Andy. Can you check CRHR for me? Yeah, last cryptocurrency, guys. Natalie is going live. Make sure to show some love. Ask her a lot of questions. All right. Ask her a lot of questions. She's going live. I'll be leaving in about 5 minutes. CHR is the last crypto that I'm going to take a look at. CHR US dollar. Is Chromia. Right, let's take a look at Chromia. CHR US dollar. I will be leaving in 5 minutes, guys. Make sure to go to see Natalie, okay? The link is in the comment section. Natalie is live. Show some love. Ask her a lot of questions. She will be doing some analysis for you. Right, let's take a look at this one. Chromia. Daily. Chromia didn't manage to get above this major support on the daily. The good thing about the most important thing about the daily, guys, is that you will see a lot of wicks, okay? You can clearly see that this has been a major resistance zone, and this was exactly the 48 cents approximately, just below 50 cents. And there was a lot of attempts here, but we closed a daily. That's why it is important to close a daily candle above a major resistance zone, because you can wick up. This is the thing when you trade this, you rush in a trade, you are breakout trading doesn't work very well, in my opinion, in crypto, okay? You have a lot of volatility, a lot of fake outs. I want to see daily closes above resistance and support, and on the retracement is when we want to get into some potential trades. Now, this one came up, came down. What do I think is going to happen here for this crypto? We are currently, just barely getting supported from this range, which is the 27 cents, as you can see right over here. We wicked below here, came back up. Now, this is a major support level. We're just currently getting held here by a thread from this range, just above the 25 cents. Now, it does look like if we go to the 4 hourly that we are potentially forming we formed a descending wedge. We're currently breaking out from this descending wedge, as you can see right over here, creating lower highs and lower lows. And we are currently breaking out with some pretty decent amount of volume. So this looks like that it's going to start pumping pretty hard, in my opinion. As you can see, this purple box holding very nicely as support. So yeah, we should be breaking here this resistance now and moving up. We did see a pretty nice volume on the 4 hourly. It's not looking too bad, this crypto, Chromia. All right, guys, make sure to go to Natalie's live stream. I will be ending the link is in the comment section. Thank you, Andy. Take care. Thank you very much, Joseph. Incredible support, okay? The link to Natalie's live stream is in the comment section. Ask her a load of questions, guys. Show some love, and make sure to get your favorite cryptocurrency and ask her. She'll be doing some analysis on your favorite crypto, okay, guys? The link is in the comment section. Go and check out Natalie and ask her questions. She's live right now, okay? She is live right now. Now, guys, if you check out Bitcoin Census website, we've got the latest news and TA here, okay? Very, very valuable information, totally free. Down in the description, we've got the latest news also, so check it out. I will be doing another live very, very soon, guys. I'm not sure if we'll be doing tomorrow, but I'll be updating you with what I think could happen in the next coming days. Thank you, guys, for the support. Much love. You know the deal for BTC, guys. We want to see that successful breakout of $45,000 here with a huge amount of volume. Until that doesn't happen, we are going to get pushed back down, still down, okay? We're going to get pushed down. If we do break $40,000 support, we are very likely going to hit that $38,000, okay? Thank you, guys. I am off. Make sure to check out Natalie. Natalie is live. Natalie is live. Show some love. Ask us some questions. Natalie is live right now. I'm going to join the live stream for a couple of